Another important tools is month calendar. This is same as date time picker. These are the property of month calendar. We can change the first starting date of week. Now Sunday. Now Thursday. We can change font for color etc. Maximum dates. So today is true. Now we false. Here this is not available today's date. If you want to show it, show week number. This is the week number. This is the month calendar. Next control is mask text box. Drag a mask text box. This is like a text box, but it is the advanced and it has a property to set mask. It is used for security purpose, and if we want to enter numeric 5 digit or 10 digit number, like if we want to enter a mobile number, 2 digit for code and rest 10 digit for mobile number. Now run the project. If I want here to enter a alphanumeric key, alphabetical key, that it is not possible. It's not accepted by mask text box. If we want to enter code and numeric 10 digit mobile number, then it is accepted. So it is useful for security purpose. We can set another types of mask like phone number, short date to enter date and time, like run, date, month and year. We change the mask to set mask, zip code, time zone, etc. We write here text. That's appear first time. This is the some usage of mask text box.